This room is an exact reproduction of a room in my house, with the 2 doors, the 3 windows, which looked out onto the garden. It's a wonderful room, and it's a late work by Sol LeWitt. I consider Sol one of the most important artists of the second half of the 20th century. He defined the word conceptual art. To him and to other conceptual artists, the idea of the work is more important than the execution. He compares himself to a composer, someone who writes the music, but then others can perform it. So Sol gives very precise instructions about the work, but his assistants, who are trained by Sol, will execute it.
The first, we have to draw outlines. We follow Sol's plan. Yeah, if we finish this part first. This one, I remember this was a line drawing with indicates the color R, B, P, Y means red and yellow. And this and this, we cannot really paint this and this same time. We have to mask off here and this side. So for this one, we did green, orange, yellow, green. And then after finished, we mask off the paint and the part we already painted, and then we do the next section.